Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. I was browsing on the internet today and I came across this. It's the new Lego Friends Advent Calendar. Look, how cool is this? You can already buy it online from Kmart here in Australia. Look, I'm excited. Christmas tree. I will be showing you what's inside this calendar, so if you don't want to know, I suggest you turn off the video now. Take a look at this. Look how much stuff is in this calendar. Oh my goodness. Look at this, a little seat, a Christmas tree. The girls each get a stocking. We have a little art easel here. Look, a little mixer to make cupcakes with. There is a snowman on wheels. Little Stephanie. Oh my goodness, there's so much here. Look at that fireplace. It is so detailed. I can't wait for this. I simply cannot wait to get this set. This is one of my favourite advent calendars. Alright, now that I've run off, let's take a look at this seat with a reading book and a little cup with a marshmallow on it, and baby cat and baby doggy, and oh, too much cuteness going on here. Close up look of this fireplace with a little green stocking on it. And here's little Emma. She's got a little ponytail happening, and there's a little present here at the front. All right, the 5 little micro dolls. Mia has a little candy cane on her dress. Stephanie, a little reindeer. Oh, look, Olivia's got a gingerbread man. This is just too cute. I'm sorry, I'm so excited. So they've made this calendar so you can open it up and have a few play scenes in it, I guess. So here's like the lounge room, and we've got the kitchen back here. We've got the little letterbox out the front. Here's a shot of what it looks like with all the pieces that are out of the box. There's actually quite a few sets in this, which is fantastic, and they're really, really detailed. I think this is one of the best advent calendars that have come out so far, especially having the cute little micro dolls. Oh my goodness, sorry, I can't wait for this. There we are, got some girls playing with it already. They're having fun. And here we've got a picture of Olivia and Andrea making cupcakes, and Mia and Stephanie playing with the doggy. And I've come in because I really want that hotel, but I am so excited about this advent calendar. I really, really, really need to buy it. Need to save up some money. All right, here's the last shot of what it looks like at the front of the box. And this set comes with 370 pieces. I've just popped in again. Alrighty, I hope you've enjoyed this video. So everyone, buy an advent calendar because it's so cute.